nothing for you. When you start to reveal nothing's really what you feel, I could've warned you. 'Cause I know, you know, I know you'll never let me go. You're such a smoke show, baby, when you burn low, weaving through my mind like a 70s comedian. You're such a smoke show, I can't seem to keep hold, dancing in the glow, just watching your smoke show. Smoke show. Are you just a ghost now? I see you every time I look around. When you pass through the room, your light starts to consume all the dark clouds. You're driving me crazy in the back of your car. 'Cause I know, you know, I know you're such a smoke show, baby, when you burn low, weaving through my mind like a 70s comedian. You're such a smoke show, I can't seem to keep hold, dancing in the glow, just watching your smoke show. Smoke show.
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chateau, and well, what's actually, despite being beautifully blue skies, a horribly windy day in between rainstorms. So I've got a few jobs to get on with. I have been doing stuff in the background. You haven't heard from me for a little while because I've just been trying to get loads of stuff done which really isn't camera worthy. Critics would say this won't be either, so you know, who knows. Joking aside, I've been enjoying myself. We've had some really good weather, so I've been out and about trying to have a little bit of me time as well as doing stuff around here which is necessary rather than progressing, shall I say. Now, there's some stuff going on and I'm doing something, a big project all at once. You're going to have to bear with me, and we're going to start with something small, but it's all a larger thing. And let me show you. One of the tasks which is here, and as I said, you really won't, you'll only work out what's going on as it all starts to come together. So for a minute, please have faith. This used to be a stone table barbecue area which my friend fell through and flat packed. So it's time to put that back up. This is the top, and I was trying out various different things. It seems to have held it enough that now I think I can put the rest of it together. So let's do that.
Are you just a ghost now? I see you every time I look around. When you pass through the room, your light starts to consume all the dark clouds. You're driving me crazy in the back of your car. 'Cause I know, you know, I know you're such a smoke show, baby, when you burn low, weaving through my mind like a 70s comedian. You're such a smoke show, I can't seem to keep hold, dancing in the glow, just watching your smoke show. Smoke show.
one small job done. And I'll fill in various cracks, clean it all up, sand some stuff down once the jointing compound that I've just put on to stand it up has set properly, because it's not really, it shouldn't be a problem, because that was just placed together before under its own weight. Now it's actually put together properly. So one job done on what will be a huge list. So yeah, as I was saying, larger project, there's things afoot. It will all come about, but obviously I've filmed this bit, but that'll be in the video where I start doing the next round of what's going on. I don't want to just show you some destruction to begin with, and hopefully everything is all starting to come together already, actually. You know, plants are getting planted, flowers are coming out. Got to pull that tree out and cut it up, but the grounds are all looking really good. I'm getting ahead of myself, so which is allowing me to do stuff I've wanted to do, which like this will come apparent, and little things which have been lying around like this for ages. So hopefully, if I can find the right wood, that is, because it's a bank holiday tomorrow, shall I say, I can carry on with the project I've started, which I now must finish because I can't leave it half done. I have passed the point of no return. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.